Well, hello everyone, it's Sunshine Rolls-Royce technician Eddie coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. And boy, we have a special treat for you today. We have a Rolls-Royce Corniche convertible. It's a beautiful Rolls-Royce, a beautiful, fantastic shape. As you can see what we have here, it's a Corniche convertible. Very low mileage, very, very low. One owner vehicle, and we're only at 18,000 miles. You can see that, 18,000 miles. And what we're having today, a little issue, is the ignition switch. When you put the key in, you have the buzzer going off, and when the buzzer is going off on this, it's sticking. It's coming off now when you pull it out, but a lot of times because of the switches in there, it's leaving that buzzer on, and even when you're driving down the road, you're having that buzzer go off. So what we had to do was we went ahead and pulled the lower shroud. You can see all the Lucas relays here. We got a lot of relays, Bosch and stuff like that. These are all Bosch. And as you can see, there it is right there. There's the buzzer for the sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that wire off of there. And because inside the ignition switch, there's a little brass tab in there. What's happening is that little tab inside there that's making contact is sticking. Now, we've already lubed it up several times with WD-40 to try to stick something in there. It's not going to work. But you can see right there, we're going to take a zoom in inside that keyway. You can see right there, there's the buzzer contact switch. It sticks, and then as you're driving down the road, it's just leaving all the lights and everything on along with that buzzer. So what we're going to do is we're going to just pull that wire off there and then go ahead and try it again. And you can see we'll make sure that all the lights are still operating. All we want to do is just disable the buzzer so we don't have to hear that buzzer. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and pull this wire right off of here like such, and that should eliminate the buzzer sounding in there. So let's check that. Say that. There you go. We got the key in it. Does not make any sound. So what we're going to do is we're going to start it up, and we're going to make sure that the lights and everything go out. We're going to move the lower shroud out of the way. You can see there's the two screws down there that hold it on. And let's get ourselves together here. Beautiful. You can take a look at this. We have the beautiful, this here is actually the little wine. This is your little drinks in here. You can see that. Take a look at that. It's got the original flask. It's got some bottles of whiskey in there. And it actually works on the air conditioning unit, and it chills it out inside there. You can see the chrome is all in beautiful shape. We're going to go ahead and lock that back up just like that. You can see there it is, locked up. You have to use a key in order to open it up. So let's go ahead and give this a start. We're going to pull the door closed, and we shall check to make sure that let's pull the door shut. And there we go. We got the engine up and running right now. You can see we're at 18,000 miles. And as we're going to ease on down here, you can see how beautiful things are here. There's the other door panel with the chiller in there. So we're just going to wait for the lights to go out. That's not it. So we're going to just continue waiting here a little bit. And as you can see, the buzzer switch is out, but the lights are still on. So we still have the dome lights on. So we're going to have to figure out why those dome lights are still staying on here in this Rolls-Royce Corniche convertible. You can see the oxygen sensor lights on. That will eventually go out. A common problem with those, the oxygen sensor stays on there for a few minutes, and then it actually goes out. So we're going to continue diagnosing this. We'll come back live, show you the results. Pick up the phone, 561-693-8636, coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida.